Hello and welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm gonna tell you VideoScribe tip, for those of you who use VideoScribe, and ends up having this questions, on using the software program. How do you, when using the VideoScribe software, how do you create an animated sequence of drawings, without having each one of these drawings, zoomed in on? For example, if I have a storyboard on a canvas, and I have a number of drawings that I have in sequence, that I want to have drawn. And one of the frustrating things is that, if you click the play button, sometimes it zooms in automatically by default on each one of these drawings, and, if I'm telling the story, or if I'm designing one of these animated drawings to come to tell story to walk you through a sequence of events, sometimes, I don't want to zoom in on each of these characters. I want it to be drawn up from the canvas perspective, as it zoomed out, so you can kinda see the whole story unfold. It's a very easy effect on how you can fix that. What you have to do is, go into your drawings, you click on each one of these that you're gonna want to go down to the camera. Down at the bottom right hand corner, and just click the set camera. Now what this does is, it just sets the camera position based on the actual scale, the canvas scale where you're currently seeing what your current view is. So if you click the set camera, it's gonna hold that position, it's gonna keep it from being zoomed in on, once you hit the play button. Now what I have to do is, I have to go in and make sure for each one of these, I click the set camera option, so that none of these were zoomed in on while it's going through the animation. So now, I've set the camera for each one of these. Now, I can go up and hit the play button, and we should be able to see all of these being drawn out from the canvas perspective, and you're not zoomed in on each drawing. Once we get to see the whole story unfold if you have a number of sequences in your animation, you kind of want each one of those to be seen as you're drawing those out. So, real simple fix to keep each one of these drawings from being zoomed in on. I hope that helped you. And if you have any other questions regarding VideoScribe, you can comment in the comment section below. Thanks for listening, and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Goodbye.